Hey, what's up, you guys? Good morning. So yesterday I changed the sensor and everything. I added some gas and I charged the battery. It doesn't want to do it, but it is that. Also, I need to change the sensors that are on the throttle body. But let me pause it real quick because I can't do the flashlight. But I gotta change the two sensors for the throttle body just so that they're new and I don't gotta worry about that shit. Then later on I'm gonna change the valve cover gaskets and do a tune-up on it because I do need a maintenance. I did have a check engine light for the camshaft sensor I changed out. And I know that's because of the wire harness, how I was showing you guys on the other video yesterday, that it was stripped, all that grease. It is smoking, so yeah, that shit's all beat up. But I know part of that is the oil that it's leaking from the valve covers onto the manifold and stuff. But yeah, it turns on now after the changer sense. Okay, so if you guys have an Astro Van like this and you're having troubles with the starting, no relay, no fuse, no check engine light, check your sensor, your camshaft sensor. If it looks all oily and gunky, it's under the pulley. It's literally somewhere down here, down the middle. I'm not even gonna go down there because I gotta go to work, but I changed it out. My harness is messed up, and then I opened the stupid little pump thing that's right there. I don't know what it's called, but I checked the current and all that stuff, and I knew it was a sensor because I had the problem with my Honda over there, but I didn't have a check engine light, and then it did come on the van after I actually changed it. But I know that's because of the wiring harness. So I gotta do a few more things. I already did the tune-up, but I gotta do the spark plugs and the cables next and a couple other stuff. But yeah, pretty easy fix. But ever since I changed the sensor, I mean, it lags a little bit, but not too bad. But it turns on and wasn't turning on, especially in the cold like right now and rainy days for some odd reason. That's what was weird.